After watching this training video, please do the relevant exercise to complete the training. Exercise are available in the Whisker customer portal. In this demo, we will be learning how to model three-dimensional objects using Whisker. Using the Object Library option, the user can model three-dimensional objects easily. This option contains different predefined three-dimensional objects, categorized based on the material type and class. To create 3D objects, select the Object Library icon from the Modeling tab. You can now see a similar screen containing several predefined 3D objects. The Material filter allows only objects of the selected material to be displayed in the library. For example, I select concrete in the Material filter. You can see that only concrete objects are filtered to be selected. This is the Category filter. Here, you can filter the objects of a particular category to be displayed. For example, I select the category footing. You can see that only the concrete footings are displayed in the selection box. Similarly, I select beam. Only the beams saved in the Object Library are shown. I now change the material to steel. Now, you can see that only the saved steel objects are displayed. A new category can also be added using the Add button. I now add a new category, Pile Cap. You can see the created category Pile Cap is now added here. The category can also be renamed by selecting this Rename button. It can also be deleted by selecting the Delete button. A saved object can be renamed, moved to another category, and be deleted, using these options. To create a new object, and save it into the library, select the Create Object Library button. The Draw New button allows the user to create a new three-dimensional object. Draw Selected allows the user to only draw a saved predefined object. These options will be detailedly explained later. We have now seen the basic options of the Object Library. Let us now learn how to model three-dimensional objects. To model an object, select the required category, and choose the object that is required. Now, click on the Draw Selected button. Finally, select the insertion point where the object is to be placed. You can see that the selected three-dimensional object has been placed on the insertion point. Similarly, the required elements can be selected and placed to suit to the project's requirements. Now, we shall see how to edit a predefined object in the Object Library. Select and open the Object Library. Double-click on the object that is to be edited. The Object Modeler dialog box opens. Using the Object Modeler, one can edit and create any three-dimensional objects to suit to the project's requirements. The material for the object can be changed from this drop-down box. A new material can also be added by selecting the Add button. This option will be explained in the relevant tutorial. Similarly, the object class can be changed here. Class defines the element type of an object, with reference to the various engineering disciplines like structural, electrical, mechanical, architectural, etc. For example, a column is a structural element, whereas A junction box is an electrical element. A new class, and its properties can be added by selecting this button. In the case of concrete objects, the cover values can be modified by selecting this button. The top, bottom, and the side cover values can be edited here. The height of the object can be edited here. The dimensions can be changed here if required. Just select, and type the new dimension values to edit the dimensions. The alignment point can be chosen by simply selecting the alignment positions displayed in the image. Choosing the alignment point decides the position where the object is to be placed at the insertion point. Now select Draw to place the modified object. You can see that the object is modeled with respect to the modifications done. Now, let us learn how to add an object into the object library. To add this created 3D object, open the object library, and select the Create Object Library button. Select the object to be saved into the library. A creation dialog box opens. Here, the user can save the object in a specific category. A new category can also be added, renamed, and deleted. The views allows the user to have a preview of the object in different directions. The views can be selected by clicking on the respective buttons. I now select a category, and save the object into the library. Whisker now asks for a name for the object. Give a name for the object to be saved. I save the object in the name, square footing 5x5. Now, when opening the object library, you can see that the object is now added into the library. Please note that the material of an object cannot be modified once the object is created. Thank you for your time. Hope this training video is useful for learning Whisker BIM. Please feel free to share your comments and suggestions through the Whisker customer portal.